How to delete AI on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete AI on Snapchat. Now deleting AI on Snapchat is quite simple and quite easy. First thing you want to try out is reinstalling the app. Simply uninstall it and reinstall it back, and this might help you remove the feature on your Snapchat. Now even if you reinstalled it, you uninstalled it and then reinstalled it, and you are still not being able to remove Snapchat AI, or if you are still getting the feature, what you want to do is open up a Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen here, and at the very top you'll find My AI. What you want to do is tap and hold on My AI here, and then tap on chat settings. You can see the option at the bottom of your screen, message notifications. Now simply toggle this switch off here. Right here you can see message notifications. Toggle that off, and once you do this, you won't be getting any notifications from your AI. However, other thing what you want to do is make sure you don't interact with it. Now basically, if you don't interact with AI, it won't automatically interact with you. So if you don't interact with it at all, it won't interact back with you, and it will just be there without causing much of a hindrance. So this way you can delete AI or ignore AI on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.